Hi again, we continue the last part of project. Here I'm about to change the color of these faces of the exit of the garden. As I said in before, this is a technique to modify the appearance of the exit or sometimes the input of a garden. Another point important in the design, in the 3D design, is how to choose the good show or view for your project. For as you see, there are middle of the view. It's the reel that I choose now, failure to D and order. So each view has an importance, or it's valuable for each project. For example, a reel, it's allow us to see the detail of the external appearance. If you have, for example, a project enter another, it's better to use Filer 2D. So I touched the final of this project. This is all the basic technique that you can the basic techniques that you can need for to create a project of garden, of example the garden for animals, the garden of birds, etc. And for the command that you see, text, it's a command of 2D design. So for all the command in 2D design, I prefer that you show the project that I had already done in my channel YouTube. It's a free video which I summarize all the basic command for design in 2D. It's so important, and it's a short video, so you can develop your skills in 2D design in less than 15 minutes. So you can consider it as a plus point to show my course. So I hope that you find my course helpful for you, and please give me the chance to have 4 or 5 star as record for this course. If not, please tell me why the reason, and as comments. And of course, for who want to benefit from the restaurant project, the free video from my channel YouTube, in this you find in this part near to my biography. Of course, when you enroll my course, it's in you when you scroll the page, you'll find in the end of the page. So near to my biography, you will find the button of YouTube. If it's not appeared, click to the image of near to the biography, and you find the button that for YouTube channel, for my YouTube channel, Actualité Ingénieur. Thank you for your watching, and ciao.